These two women are not real. They were created by Sora OpenAI text-to-video AI model.
I'm Mira Murati, CTO of OpenAI.
In November, when former CEO Sam Altman was briefly booted out, Mira stepped in. However, now she's doing what she was doing before, which is running all the tech at the company. Sora is fundamentally a diffusion model creating distilled images from random noise. The model analyzes many videos and learns to identify objects and actions. When it is given a text prompt, it creates a scene by outlining the timeline and giving detail to each one of the frames. Its ability to manipulate this process far surpasses all of the competitors. A revolutionary tool capable of generating videos from simple text descriptions has sparked widespread excitement and curiosity. Millions of people eagerly await its public release. Sora will be available this year, that is in 2024. In an interview with the Wall Street Journal, OpenAI Chief Technology Officer Mira Murati said,
So in this one, you can see the model doesn't follow the prompt very closely. The robot doesn't quite yank the camera out of her hand, but the person sort of morphs into the robot. A lot of imperfections still. So while the model is quite good at continuity, it's not perfect. So you kind of see the yellow cap disappearing from the frame there for a while, and then it comes back in a different frame. So eventually, that's what we're trying to figure out, how to use this technology as a tool that people can edit and create with. It looks like the bull in a china shop. Yeah, metaphorically, you'd imagine everything breaking in this scene, right? And you see in some cases that the bull is stomping on things and they're still perfect, they're not breaking. That's to be expected this early on. ChatGPT and DALL-E are optimized for the public to be using them, whereas Sora is really a research to know what it's going to look like exactly when we make it available eventually to the public. But we're trying to make it available at similar cost eventually to what we saw with DALL-E. That's certainly a consideration, dealing with the issues of misinformation and harmful bias. We don't feel confident on when it comes to how it might affect global elections or other issues.
OpenAI is prioritizing the responsible development of Sora by conducting extensive testing with a limited group of developers. This cautious approach aims to safeguard against potential misuse, such as creating deepfakes or spreading misinformation. By thoroughly evaluating the technology before wider release, OpenAI demonstrates its commitment to preventing harm and ensuring ethical use of its innovative tool. While the official release date for Sora remains unknown, OpenAI is prioritizing the implementation of robust safety measures before making it widely accessible. This period of development allows for important societal discussions regarding the ethical implications of such a powerful technology. OpenAI has not yet determined whether Sora will be a free or paid service, much like its ChatGPT model. The company is currently focusing on perfecting the tool's safety and effectiveness before considering any potential pricing models. Who has access to OpenAI's Sora? As of now, access to Sora is restricted to the following groups. Red Teamers. These cybersecurity experts play a critical role in evaluating Sora for vulnerabilities and potential misuse. Their work is essential for ensuring the technology's safety before public release. Select Content Creators. A curated group of visual artists, designers, and filmmakers are currently testing Sora's creative capabilities. Their feedback will help OpenAI enhance the tool for artistic and creative applications. If you're eager to try Sora, it's recommended to follow OpenAI's social media channels or their blog for the latest updates and announcements on public availability.